Hello, in front of me I have Amazfit GTS 3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the time and date format on this device. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button or by tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, select the option called watch face and time. And here we have time format and date format options. First, let's tap on the time format. And right here we can select the time format. We have 12-hour, 24-hour time and follow the phone. If you select 12 hours, it's gonna use the 12-hour format. If you select 24-hour format, it's gonna use 24-hour format. And if you select follow phone, it's gonna mirror the time format from your phone. Select the option you like by tapping on it, and then you can swipe right on the screen. Now let's tap on date format. And here we have three formats. We have the year, month and day. Next we have the day, month and year. And then we have month, day and year. Select the format you like and then swipe right on the screen to go back. Or you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the time and date format on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.